This is a gas turbine. It's commonly used in combination with the generator in the power plants to produce electrical energy. The principle of it is to use the thermal energy from the pressurized steam and convert it to mechanical work, or in other words, to rotations. The source of this pressurized steam are coal boiler or nuclear reactors. Unfortunately, both have been either banned or reduced by the government, and this leads to our question: how does politics affect our energy prices? To answer this question, we have invited our expert Jordan to analyze this situation in Germany as an example.
Germany's decision to phase out nuclear energy and the response to the Ukraine conflict, especially the sanctions against Russia, have had significant effects on energy prices. The move away from nuclear energy, decided after the Fukushima disaster in 2011, led to less domestic energy production. To replace nuclear energy, Germany increased its use of renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. But because these sources don't produce energy all the time, there have been challenges in keeping up with energy demands. As a result, Germany still relies partly on fossil fuels, especially gas. When energy imports from Russia decreased due to the sanctions after Russia's invasion of Ukraine, there was a shortage leading to higher prices. Currently, buying energy from other countries has some benefits, because it might be cheaper than producing energy locally or using alternative sources. This can help stabilize energy supply and lower consumer prices in the short term. Germany has tried to fill this gap by importing a liquefied natural gas (LNG) from other countries, but this is often more expensive than gas from Russia. Efforts to increase energy efficiency and expand renewable energy sources are long-term strategies, but they won't fix all the problems right away. They require a lot of investment and time, leading to the more costs and transition. In summary, rising energy prices in Germany are due to several factors: moving away from nuclear energy, reducing dependence on Russian fossil fuels without enough alternative sources, and challenges in rapidly expanding renewable energy. This situation is complicated, as Germany tries to ensure sustainable, safe and cost-effective energy supply. However, if prices for imported nuclear energy rise, Germany could face difficulties without it and may need to rely more on energy production options.
Speaking about renewable energy, beside their function as a long-term strategy from Germany or for a replacement of thermal or nuclear energy, they also have their own unique benefits. According to an investigation of the European Environmental Agency, the branch electricity and heat production account for more than 20% in total carbon dioxide emissions, which could be prevented by turning into use of renewable energy. Alongside with the advantage of being friendly to the environment, most of the methods are winning energy from the nature, which don't require any input. They function like getting electricity from nowhere. They are also more efficient due to less steps of conversion. The mechanical energy could be converted directly into electrical energy, which skips the steps of turning thermal energy to mechanical work, or in other words, they skip the step of boiling water. In the end, we have the expert Milad to give his opinion about the solution of the current situation.
Here we have 5 facts about the energy globally. 1. The regulation of energy prices. The regulation of energy prices involves government oversight to ensure fair, stable, and affordable energy costs for consumers. This includes setting price controls, tariffs, and subsidies, as well as promoting competition and protecting consumer rights. Environmental considerations are increasingly influencing regulation with a focus on promoting cleaner energy sources. Regulatory agencies oversee these efforts, aiming to balance affordability, reliability, and sustainability in the energy market. 2. Subsidies for renewable energy. Governments can provide financial incentives in the form of subsidies for the production or consumption of renewable energy such as solar, wind, or biomass. These subsidies can help reduce the cost of renewable energy and encourage its adoption. 3. Taxes on fossil fuels. To reduce the consumption of fossil fuels and reduce environmental damage, governments can impose taxes on fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas. These taxes increase the cost of fossil fuels and make alternative, more environmentally friendly options more attractive. 4. Promoting energy efficiency. Through measures such as setting minimum energy efficiency standards for appliances and buildings or providing incentives for energy efficient technologies, the government can increase energy efficiency and reduce energy consumption, which in turn can reduce costs for consumers and businesses. 5. Policy decisions on energy infrastructure and regulations. The government can decide what type of energy infrastructure to promote or build and introduce regulations that affect competition in the energy market. These decisions can have a direct impact on energy costs, for example, by affecting the availability and prices of different energy sources.
Thank you for watching. We hope you could learn something from our video.